Welcome back, everybody, to Hayes Tech and ROM Reviews. I just want to welcome all of my subs out there. You guys are awesome. I'm glad you are still with me. I also want to thank any of you who were kind of bored on YouTube and happened to be searching around and stumbled upon one of my crappy videos. Please keep watching. I do appreciate it. Remember, guys, to like and subscribe. Also, share my videos. I may not be a professional at this, but I do have some or quite a bit of experience with Android tech, so I'm here to help. If you have any questions, post in the comments. I do try to answer every single post. I am small enough, I have a small enough channel yet that I can still answer almost every question. So guys, make sure you do. If you have a question, make sure you post. Anyways, the title of this video, how to make a pro or professional video. And that is with cheap Android products. This Moto E4 is not what I would call stellar or top of the line for a video taking device, I guess I should say. Now, taking pictures, if you guys have a tripod and you have really good lighting, this will take outstanding pictures. But again, you have to be very, very still, and you need very good lighting, possibly or actually preferably outdoors. This takes very nice pictures. But on the video side of it, most every smartphone out there now has HD recording for video quality. That means either 1080p, even 720p, but most of them, I would almost venture to say all of the phones out there, regardless of cost, at least record in 1080p. And for the most part, you can't tell the difference between that and a DLSR as long as you're doing your part. Yeah, people can tell because of the shakiness and you know, maybe some lag. You know, maybe you need to set up your frames per second and all that. But for the most part, as long as you can keep it steady looking, the video will look professional. I also recommend an external microphone, such as this one. Now, this is a boom mic or a desk mic. I don't know what, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't know exactly how to name these things, but this comes in a stand like this that you can set on your desk, like that, you know, or wherever you're recording. And if you can't get one of these, then what I recommend is on Amazon, they have these little lapel microphones, which run about $4 or $5, $10 at the most. They work great. I do recommend them. And all you do is plug them into the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on your device, if your device has one. And this isn't focusing. Anyways, you get the picture. I'm using my LG V10 to record this just because of the audio system. It just seems to record audio much better. But anyways, you plug it into your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it just takes over the audio, and you get really nice basses, really nice, you know, everything. It cuts out the external noise. But what we're talking about is this right here. Now, this is a TZUMI. You can get it at Walmart. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name of it because it's kind of hard to read for me. But you guys can see right there. Take it for what it is. Now, you can get these at Walmart. They are $99. You can also get them from Amazon, right here, and they are about $134, and they come in all different names, but they are basically the same device. They are made to hold cell phones only, but it is a 6-axis gimbal, which means it will hold your phone completely stable. The first thing you want to do, though, is you need to install an app called Steady Go from the Play Store. Once you have installed that app, put your phone in, and this here is spring-loaded right here. You want to put the bottom of the phone. You want to put the bottom of the phone towards this base right here. Okay, see how that is? This side spreads open, and then just put the phone in. Once the phone's in, you want to hit the power button. All right, I'm recording with the Samsung Galaxy S5. I just kind of wanted to do some demo videos between a couple different phones. Now obviously back in the day this was Samsung's flagship phone, so the video quality is going to be pretty good on this one here. Okay, but I'm also going to do a video with my Moto E4 Plus, hopefully the Moto E4, and I want to show you guys that you can actually make some really good video with those older phones. I am walking around my yard right now. I'm gonna pan down so you can see, you know, some of the flowers that we have. I have to rehome this thing some because my gimbal's like 180 degrees out, so when I press the button to go up, it goes down. Which is simple, you just have to reset it. But guys, I mean, I'm all over the place. I'm using my cane to walk, so, and hopefully I can shit can that before too long too. There's a rabbit. Hey rabbit. And hopefully I can get rid of my cane before too long. I'm not gonna hurt you, bud. Go ahead, eat up. But just so you guys can see, this will take a standard cell phone, and even if you guys have a cheap cell phone, and it will turn it into a professional looking, you know, almost DLSR type look video. And this is proof of it. Like I said, normally I shake really bad to begin with, guys, but since I had my stroke, I noticed a discernible amount of shake that I picked up after that. I'm hoping that also subsides with time, but I'm just doing some panning, and as you guys can see, I mean, it's as smooth and fluid as can be. I can, I was gonna say I can try to get down low. Let me see if I can flip it over. Come on, flip. It's not flipping. All right, anyways, there's a way you can flip this too, and it shows it in the instruction manual that comes with this. So again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S5. I'm now going to do a test with probably the Moto E4 and then the E4 Plus, and that should be about good. So I don't want to make this video way too long, so I'm gonna have to splice my review in with all of these extra little video clips. So but anyways, you guys can see my yard, and my son does a very nice job of keeping it very well manicured. So that's it for this video, and we're going to move to the other phones. Alright, we are now doing video with the Moto E4 Plus, and I am using the Steady Go. I just kind of wanted to let you guys see that you do not have to have a very expensive device. This is Motorola's bottom of the line camera, and it seems to have locked onto an image, and I didn't want it to. So I'm panning right now, and as you guys can see, it is holding this very, very steady. And this video, or this camera app on this phone, does not have image stabilization, nothing like that. So it is what it is. But as with all devices that you can purchase today, whether it's a Moto E, Moto E4 Plus, any of the cheap blue phones, which they have some really nice cameras, you can take outstanding video if you have a stable platform to work with, such as this Steady Go. It's a TZUMI. This is one of the many, many variants of this particular gimbal. I definitely think it's well worth getting. Some phones I've had problems with the Bluetooth connecting, but if you play with it long enough, it finally does connect. You may want to spend the extra 30-40 bucks and get some of the name brand ones from Amazon. Like I said, I got this one from Walmart. I am moving a lot. I just lifted it up. I pushed it down. It's locked onto my shed. I'm almost 180 degrees pointing away from the shed, and it is just stuck on that shed. Now again, I can move it by toggling it with the toggle buttons, just like that. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to give a quick video demonstration. I used my Samsung Galaxy S5 to show kind of some of the mid-range cameras, and then I wanted to use my Moto E4 Plus, which is what I'm recording with right now, so you guys could see a low-range camera and to see what the video quality looks like by using this handheld gimbal. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Alright, there, it's working now. It took a while for the Bluetooth to connect, but once the Bluetooth connected, it just automatically kicked up. You could feel the whole thing vibrate, and it just started working. Now, I can move this any way I want, and it will hold that picture. It also has a button in there in the app itself where you can actually lock onto a target. It has buttons on it right here. This is the toggle it left, right, up, down, stuff like that. I can switch this button from camera mode to video mode, and this button, if you get all out of whack, all you do is double press this and it will home it. There, I just double clicked it and it just leveled it out, see? And it tries to stay on that. Now you can put it where you want by moving it slowly, and then see, I can track, I can go left, right, whatever I want. Like I said, you can pan left and right just by moving the toggle, and that is pretty much it. You can also hold it upside down like that, and what happens is now you can actually pan like this, you know, real low shots, see? So again guys, I very, very highly recommend this. I'm going to go ahead and power it off, save some battery. There, it's off. And it will fit most devices. Now, you are going to have to take off the cases if you have a very big phone, such as the Nexus 6, which represents one of the biggest phones on the market. I'm going to tell you right now, you are definitely going to have to pull the case off, but it will fit in there. My Pixel 2 XL definitely fits in there really nice. It's kind of tight, and this is I would say on today's phones, almost to the extreme. I was told that the Galaxy S8 and S9 and S9 Plus fit in there pretty good. So, you know, there you go. That is about it, guys. Again, it's a very good product. I highly recommend it. You can get it at Walmart for under $100, and it will help you, especially those of you that are just now starting to get into this or making videos to upload to YouTube. It will help you get on your way, and it will help you to make a quality video, so that people aren't, you know, going crazy trying to track what you're trying to show on your video, if you can get that. Again, guys, I just appreciate you watching my videos. I do appreciate all of my subs. I am a very small channel yet. I still can't answer all the questions out there. So, guys, host, if you have a question, you know, ask it, I'll answer it. I do want to thank those of you that stopped by to give this video a look. Please like, subscribe, and share. And that's about it. Guys, I have a lot more stuff I'm going to be reviewing later on, such as this microphone that I'm using here. I have some lapel mics. I have some other stuff. I just got a brand new band for my LG Urbane. And when I get it, I will review that or give an overview of it so you guys can check that out as well. So again, guys, thank you very much. I will see you all on the next one.